Is it raining outside? Do you enjoy this season? I like this season very much. And I know you also enjoy this season very much. You must have been eager to enjoy the rain. And it's really fun to make paper boats and sell them in the water. But right now, due to the epidemic of COVID-19, we cannot enjoy outside. So let's try to enjoy at home. There is one surprise for you at the end of the video. So today we will learn a composition, rainy season. Composition is the another word for writing. It is the act of writing or piece of writing. So let's see. There are main three seasons in India: rainy season, winter season and summer season. Tell me which season comes before rainy season? Correct, summer season. So rainy season starts from the month of June and lasts till September. The nature looks beautiful in this season. Trees, plants and grass look fresh and green. Children, tell me what colorful thing do you see in the sky? Yes, a rainbow. Children, do you know how rainbows formed? When light shines through water, like when the sun shines through the rain, this light is bent and reflected, like a reflection in a mirror. And this causes all of the amazing colors that you see. Now, which rainy creatures do you see? Come on, tell me. Correct. We can see frogs, snails, centipedes and millipedes. Centipedes and millipedes are tiny crawling creatures and they have plenty of legs. What do you carry to protect yourself from rain? Correct. We carry raincoats, gumboots and umbrellas to protect ourselves from rain. When it's raining heavily outside, what do you wish to eat? Yes, I know you all like to eat pakoras, correct? I also like to drink tea or coffee. This warm food is a good combination with the cold weather, correct? But tell me, which is the most exciting thing that you enjoy in the rainy season? I know it's making paper boats and sell them in the water, correct? But this year we will enjoy doing this inside our house. Stay home, stay safe. Children, rain plays an important role for farmers as they need to grow their crops. During rainy season, sometimes we can see lightning, म्हणजे विजा चमकतात. Sometimes we experience hailstones, म्हणजे गारा. मज्जा येते की नाही गारा वेचायला? गारांना hailstones असं म्हणतात. Sometimes it drizzles, म्हणजे अगदी बारीक पाऊस पडतो. त्याला ड्रिझलिंग म्हणतात. बट समटाईम्स इट डाऊनपोअर्स, म्हणजे खूप जोरात पाऊस पडतो. त्याला डाऊनपोअर म्हणतात. These are some new words for you: lightning, hailstone, drizzling and downpour. So, these are the things which we experience during rainy season. Now let us put all this into words and our composition is ready. So let us read along with me. There are many seasons in India: rainy, winter and summer. Rainy season starts from the month of June and lasts till September. The nature looks beautiful in this season with rainbow in the sky. There are frogs, snails, centipedes and millipedes on the road and greenery all over. People wear raincoats, gumboots, and carry umbrellas in this season to protect themselves from rain. Children like to eat pakoras and elders prefer drinking tea and coffee more in this season. I like this season more as I can make paper boats and sell it in the puddles on the road. My family also takes me for a trip to see the waterfalls all around. So it is a fun and rejoicing season for one and all. Read this composition again and again. Do writing practice in your rough book or on the slate. Now about surprise. Let's do an activity. Today I will teach you a simple paper boat. So Megha, Meera, Gandharva, Harsh, are you ready with your paper? Let's start. With the color paper, square color paper. If you do not have square color paper, then you can use newspaper for that. Now let's start. First, fold the paper into half. Like this. Now again this side into half. From both sides. Press the folds properly. Now only open this one fold. See, this is plain side. Plain side should be up. Now fold these corners, 4 corners, into half like this. Here is the middle line, so fold it up to this line. Fold these 4 corners. Press all the corners properly. Like this. Done? Now fold it into half. See, there is one middle line, so fold it into half. Your half boat is ready. Now again keep it like this and fold these 2 corners into half like this. Fold it from this point. And this side also. Ready? Now we need to fold these 2 corners, but not very into half, only this much, अगदी थोड़े से, like this. From here also. Fold these corners like this. Now open it. Now we have to fold these two sides into half, but not the whole side, only this middle part. Press it over here like this, and from this side also. See, now your boat is ready. Your boat is ready now. Now take some water and sail your boat. But do not waste water.